Now, something from your Arsenal career we want to get to the bottom of right here tonight is the Battle of the Buffet. Let me take you back to the 24th of October 2004. Arsenal had just lost their 49-game unbeaten run. And then after the match in the Old Trafford Tunnel, it all kicked off and someone threw a pizza at Sir Alex Ferguson. Now, to this day, no one has said for certain who it was. The culprit's identity is still a mystery. However, key witness Martin Keown, when questioned, revealed this. He said, "From what I understand, it was a Spanish fellow with great technique. Even when it came to pizza, he had great technique. He threw it like a frisbee." And then the victim of the incident, Sir Alex Ferguson, in his witness statement said this: "They say it was Fabregas who threw the pizza at me, but to this day, I have no idea who the culprit is." So, Cesc, tonight, can we finally put the case of the flying pizza to bed once and for all? Were you the culprit who threw the pizza? Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, that's a big bombshell.
Oh, wow.
It's a big bombshell.
Did you just throw it and duck for cover? Is that why no one saw? Or was it like a sly one?
By the way, Martin Keown is a liar because I saw him in front of me just punching people on the... he didn't see anything. And then I saw all of a sudden, bing, bing, bing. I heard noises like, what's happening, what's happening? Then I go out with my slide of pizza and I see Sol Campbell, Rio Ferdinand, Martin Keown, everyone, boom, boom, pushing each other, Vieira. And I was like, yeah. I went to get in, and then I didn't know how to. And I just threw it. And once I saw it was hitting like who it was hitting, which I didn't mean.
Yeah, of course.
And I apologize, obviously, Sir Alex, really.
Where did it get him?
I didn't mean to...
Where did it hit him?
Right in the bonds.
Just a little bit here and but...
Well, I think you have just become a legend amongst all of football. It's amazing. What about that?